was a significant event in my life to purchase this home. It's my little piece of property in the world, something that I can pass on to my children. Owning a home is probably the best thing you can do. It's the American dream. I was born and raised in Cincinnati, lived there most of my life, and I'm not planning on going anywhere anytime soon. Well, in September, I had some financial difficulties, and the bills were piling up, and I knew that if I didn't do something quick that I would lose my home. No particular night, I was watching CET, and I saw a phone-a-thon, and so I said, well, this could be the answer to my problems. Coming out of the situation, I'm able to keep my home, and it's all because I saw it on CET.